Hello, good day everyone. My name is Melby Diguera, and for today's video, I am going to rationalize EDU 563, EDU 566, EDU 562, EDU 564, and EDU 565. And my assigned number is number 17 and 18. Okay, so let's start in EDU 563, Teaching Music in Elementary Grades. Number 17. Who is the person known for his Bisaya song and has a nickname of a king of Visayan music? A. Max Sorban. Letter B. Dolphy. Letter C. Redford White. Or letter D. Manoy. So, what do you think is the answer? Okay, that's correct. Letter A. Max Sorban. Letter A is the best answer because Max Sorban is a famous singer from Cebu City and his song is very famous, namely Turag Soy, Igo Naday, and many more. Because of that, he gained the title King of Visayan Music. The answer B, C, and D is not the answer because letter B and C is both an comedian actor and letter D, Manoy, is also known as Eddie Garcia, the legendary actor-director. So, in number 18, Blank is the first folk song in the Philippines. The choices are letter A, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, letter B, Leron Leron Sinta, letter C, Bulaklak, or letter D, Tago-Taguan. So, what do you think is the answer? Okay, correct. Letter B, Leron Leron Sinta is the correct answer because it is from Tagalog region. It is traditionally a work song representing those who are in the field of harvesting fruit. The answer is not letter A, C, and D. Letter A is an early 19th century English poem, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Letter C and letter D is both pop music. So the best answer is letter B, Liron Liron Sinta. The 566, Teaching Social Studies in Elementary Grade. Number 17, why did the European countries join the race in looking for lands to be colonized? Choices are letter A, the ideas of being able to conquer more lands means you are a powerful nation. Letter B, Europeans want to expand their territory and build a colony. Letter C, Europeans want to build friendship among eastern lands. And letter D, Europeans want to trade their products to other lands. So what do you think is the answer? Correct, it's letter A. The best answer is letter D because the European colonized lands to gain gold, and glory. They acquire it so that they become more powerful than other countries. Number 18, the Europeans' original aim in conquering new land was, choices are, letter A, to be the world's power, letter B, to spread Christianity, letter C, to look for a new trade route, or letter D, to prove that world is not flat. So what do you think is the answer? Correct, it's letter C. They look for a new trade route because European conquered. Letter C, to look for a new trade route because they look for a new route to trade since they acquire new land that has a lot of resources. So letter C is the best answer to question number 18. EDU 562, Teaching Science in Elementary Grade. Number 17, this part of the lesson plan should be filled out right after the delivery of the lesson. Also, teachers are encouraged to think about their lessons, particularly the parts that went well and the parts that were weak, and write about it briefly. The choices are letter A, procedures, letter B, assignments, letter C, reflection, and letter D, remarks. So what do you think is the best answer? Okay, correct. It's letter C, reflection. The best answer is reflection because through reflection, teacher can share their thoughts and feelings about their lessons including things about the lessons that were successfully implemented, need improvement, or could be adjusted in the future. So number 18, guidelines on giving homework or assignments to all public elementary schools pupils is stipulated in letter A, DepEd Memorandum number 329 of 2010, DepEd Memorandum number 392, 2010, DepEd Memorandum number 329 of 2009, and DepEd Memorandum number 320 of series of 2010. So what is the best answer? It's letter A. Letter A is the correct answer because in September 16, 2010, DepEd Memorandum number 329 assignment or homework have been part of the pupils' life in their schooling. So the best answer is letter A. No other answer. Edo 564, teaching math in the primary grades. Number 17, the question, how many flowers are needed to border a rectangular garden? Involves letter A, weight, letter B, perimeter, letter C, volume, or letter D, area. What is the best answer? Letter B, perimeter. Perimeter has a 4 sides and rectangular has a 4 sides. Going to discuss why other choices is not the answer. So weight, it is an amount and used on scale to determine how heavy the object is, and not volume because volume is the quantity that shows the amount, and area is the totality of space. Answer is letter B, perimeter, because perimeter has a 4 sides and rectangular again has a 4 sides. And number 18 question, two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of these angles is blank. So the choices are 30 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree, or 150 degree. What is the best answer? Okay, letter B, 90 degree, because each angle has a 5. So the question, if two angles are said to be complementary, if the sum of this angle is 90, so 45 plus 45 equals 90 degree. Let me clear. If two complementary angles are same, they are both measure 45 degree, because 45 plus 45 degree each angle equals 90 degree. So the best answer is letter B, 90 degree. On Edo 565, teaching arts in elementary grades. The question number 17, a 6th grade teacher is evaluating a software program that requires students to design a riverboat and use it to successfully complete a journey. Along the way, the student must obtain supplies and overcome a variety of obstacles. This type of program is most useful for fostering students. Letter A, ability to use abstract reasoning. Letter B, ability to reason by analogy. Letter C, critical thinking and problem solving skills. Or letter D, cooperative learning and teamwork skills. The answer is letter C, critical thinking and problem solving skills. So, letter C is the best answer because the riverboat software described in the question is a simulation program designed to help students to recreate the trials and tribulations of a journey by riverboat. The obstacle to overcome and problems to solve in the course of the simulation program are intended to improve the critical thinking and problem-solving skills of the students. So letter C is the best answer. Improve the critical thinking and the problem-solving of students. And 18, which of these is not an element of physical environment? Letter A, culture. Letter B, lighting. Letter C, temperature. And letter D, safety hazards. So the best answer is letter A, the culture, because culture is not part of physical environment but part of beliefs of a person.